Hello everyone, this is Peter, the director of Onyx Healthcare, and let me to share how good we are. Onyx, we are a subsidiary of Asus Group, and all our products have got international medical certification, such as EN UL 6061-1. Our factory also has ISO 13485, which means we can produce medical devices and also to sell all over the world. Our headquarters are located in Taipei, Taiwan. All the products are designed and manufactured here. In order to do international business, so we also have a European branch office in Netherlands and also US office in California. And most of the Tier 1 medical devices companies are all our customers. Onyx Healthcare, we started to make medical computers since year 2000. And we got all medical certifications in very beginning stage. And Onyx, we started to list in Taiwan stock market since year 2016. And the most exciting milestone is Onyx, we got our own building in 2021. Regarding the design capability, we can develop medical platform from Intel, AMD, even to NVIDIA. All our products are fanless with IP65, waterproof. We have very strong capability about EMI, ESD, and also EMC, which can help us to pass medical certification easily. DICOM display is our another strength, which means our products are diagnostic X-ray level. If customer wish to have a customized glove detectable touch or even power backup solution, we are also ready. Due to COVID-19, most of the hospitals do really care about cleaning process much more than before. In order to prove Onyx is the best, so we even send our units to Japan Antibacterial Organization for passing their certification, which is called Japan SIAA. At the same time, we also send our units to US Clorox to prove that our products are totally compatible with Tier 1 medical liquid cleaner. In order to reach 100% accuracy, so our factory assemble our products in high-level clean room with robotics arms. Because mobility is the trend in healthcare, so we even develop products with hard batteries, which can fit any kind of cars in all the world. And we also can provide medical level power bank, which can provide mobile power to any kind of mobile devices. Because 5G is getting more popular and bandwidth is not a problem anymore. So our telemedicine solution can help patients to reach doctors seamlessly, even they are super far away. Many medical devices companies like to pick our computer as their computing center because we have comprehensive products such as panel PC, small from 10 inch, big to 32 inches, or box PC from small gateway to big or large server. And we can even provide ambulance level tablets, which means our products has got both medical certification and also vehicle certification at the same time. Traditional OR in hospital has massive cable and the resolution is always bad. However, our digital OR solution can help to capture high resolution 4K image from medical devices and transfer to surgical level dashboard through fiber, which means high resolution and zero latency can be reached at the same time. AI is blooming now in healthcare. For example, AI can help doctors to recognize abnormal organization through endoscope to improve the efficiency of minimally invasive surgery. In order to let our customers' life can be easier, So Onyx, we can provide comprehensive AI-ready platform to let customer to pick. So if you are also looking for medical computers, Onyx definitely is your best choice.